Discover the ultimate solution for property owners in real estate. Ryconn Property Management, your top Riverside rental management company choice. With years of experience and a committed team, they offer unparalleled support for multiple property investments, putting all your worries to rest. Unlock the true potential of your real estate investments with a reliable rental management company. From handling tenant queries to expertly managing multiple properties, they ensure efficiency and professionalism every step of the way, leaving you with peace of mind and time to focus on growing your portfolio. Introducing Ryconn Property Management, your specialists in managing multiple properties. With tailored solutions for each unique property in your portfolio, trust Ryconn to rise above the competition with unwavering dedication to clients and a profound understanding of the industry. Experience the benefits of Ryconn, where personalized service meets advanced technology. With a unique approach that combines industry expertise and genuine care, Ryconn offers more than just property management. We offer a valued partnership tailored to your needs.